If you're looking for a new fidget toy to help you relieve some stress, this might be the perfect option for you. It even comes with a keychain so you can take it on the go anywhere you want. It's basically just a little mini mechanical keyboard, man. And it comes with these beautiful RGB lights. I mean, just check that out. This is so satisfying just to click these buttons, man. I could literally do this for hours. And it's on sale right now, man. You can get this for only a few dollars, and you probably have a TikTok shop coupon. Make sure you check it out before it sells out. I can literally do this for hours.